Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mirza John D. Hamzic, and welcome to my journey through Bosnia and Herzegovina. So it's morning, the next morning we're here in front of Villa Hortensia. We just went to the Pekara. We ordered about 14 Bureks, which are Bosnian meat pitas. And after this we are going to Kravice Waterfalls, which is around a 40-minute drive from here. We're gonna check out one of the most beautiful locations in Bosnia and Herzegovina, the Kravice Waterfalls. You dunk it into your yogurt. That's why you eat yogurt with it. Your yogurt, not mine. So about a 35 minute drive from Mostar, we have made it to the parking lot of Kravice Waterfalls here in Kravice. So I guess the waterfalls are over here. Parking is free. And now we're gonna go see one of the most beautiful places in Bosnia and Herzegovina.
This is, I can find any more.
Look at goes all the way around. Look at this old structure right here. Look at the inside of this old fucking building. Holy shit. So they have boat tours here as well. You can put up to 8 people. Takes you around this little small area. The breeze is crazy here. Very breezy, very refreshing. Look at these tables right here on the water. Best place to sit right here. You can do it. Bravo. Alright, we're gonna attempt to get in this crazy cold water right now. Woo! That is hella cold. We're gonna check out these caves right here next to the waterfalls. Holy shit. I don't know if this right here was a do not enter sign, but look at that. I'm gonna play it safe and not go over there. I don't know this place, how well this place is with mines. And with these rains, you know, it can easily wash away the mines from minefields and take those mines for miles on down the road. And eventually they might even end up in waterfalls like this. I like to stay alive for another day, but this is beautiful right here. There's fishes swimming underneath us. My bottom half is literally numb. This water is just freezing fucking cold. It's very refreshing because it's hot here, but I don't know. Do it for YouTube. Woo! Holy shit! The security just came and told us that we have to step down, so unfortunately I can't go get my picture. So after the lifeguard kicked us off that platform, he told us that 3 months ago a girl from the same little place fell off while trying to take a picture and ended up dying. She hit her head on the rock and died 4 months ago. Oh my god, I feel like I'm having a fucking heart attack. Oh shit. He's like, nope. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the fishes. Alright, ready? 1, 2, me. Stephanie met some Spanish-speaking people from Barcelona. god. I'm fucking shaking. That's how freezing this water is.